Shropshire's Tramway Tunnel, also known as Caldon Tunnel, is a disused industrial tunnel built as part of the Caldon Low Tramroad system. Its length is around 400 yards and was used to carry limestone from quarries to a canal wharf. Construction began in 1844 and was completed around 1847, with the tunnel remaining in use until about 1920, when the tramway became obsolete. Built of brick and stone, it has an egg-shaped bore and arched portals. The self-acting incline relied on the weight of loaded wagons to haul empty ones back uphill. Since closure, the tunnel has deteriorated, with both portals surviving, but affected by vegetation, weathering, brick loss and water ingress.